Hello everyone. Thank you so much for having me here today. And today discussion about Project Cheetah and its completion of 1 year review. Okay, today I'm going to start with a quote that is said by Mahatma Gandhi ji. The greatness of a nation and its moral progress can be judged by the way its animals are treated. That is true actually. If the animals are treated with full rights, and if we give the full rights or all the rights, all the humanitarian rights to the cheetah, then it definitely leads to the great nations. Like we can say that in example in India, the great Asoka, in his Dhamma principle, the protecting animals and birds is an important principle. That is what the today the project cheetah, and we in this angle, in this context, we will going to see about the project cheetah and its year on review. Okay, so let's see about detail about this project cheetah. So, by September 17, 2022, officially India launched the Project Cheetah, and we introduced nearly the first introduction. We introduced 8 cheetah to India, and after that, totally so far we have introduced 20 cheetah into the India, and we imported 20 cheetahs from the African countries, that is Namibia. So far that is what data. And after that we have a 12 we allowed 12 cheetah into the wild, and we still kept 8 cheetah in the captivity. And in the 12 cheetah, the 2 cheetah is died actually, and 8 cheetah in the captivity itself, the 4 cheetah is died for the various reason. And also one cheetah in India that gave birth to the 4 cubs of cheetah, and in these 4 cubs 3 cubs are died due to the monsoon and the climate heat wave failure. Heat wave, it affects the cheetah's development, and it's died. That is the situation in India. Okay, and let's see what are the causes and why it was died. So far, we allowed Kuna National Park, Kuna Wildlife Sanctuary or Kuna National Park is the right place for cheetah, and also we chose Gandhi Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary and Naurodagi Wildlife Sanctuary. In both the places, we chose Madhya Pradesh. That in both the places, we choose to use cheetah to make places for the wildlife habitat for cheetah. But still, Gandhi Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary and Navradehi Wildlife Sanctuary is being ready, but still there is no cheetah in this field. That should be no. So okay, let's talk about there are 6 cheetah, that is adult cheetah, and 3 cheetah cub. Why they are died in wild? That should be know. First, the 3 cubs it's died because of three cheetah cubs died because of not monsoon, not because of high heat waves in India. That's the biggest problem. And also next, the two cheetahs died because of it wore the radio collars in its collar. In the radio collars, it provided some micro environment for conductive to thrive insects, certain insects and parasites. Through that, it affect the cheetah, and it's vulnerable to die. And one cheetah is died due to the renal conditions, and the government is asking why you bring them diseased cheetah into India. So that it is already facing some disease in this African wild itself, and you transported that cheetah to India, and also that there are some environmental stress, new changes. It's affect the total health of the cheetah. That is the biggest problem. So why you bring this cheetah into the India? That is what question asked with the government. Okay, that is a good question actually, and it's died because of renal condition. Okay, So that is what the total data about the death statistics about cheetah and the reasons for the death. And also they have conducted some survey like called population habitat viability assessment. Population habitat viability assessment. In this assessment they find out that the 15 percentage the mortality rate of cheetah in India is 15 percentage for adult, and 50 60 and 70 percentage for cubs were used. That is actually the lowest data, lowest mortality rate while comparing with the reality in India. And also we have planned the project for cheetah is to make protect our grassland in India. That is the biggest plan for India. We have to make grassland for and grasslands to protect our grassland, and also develop our national park through the develop the forest and national park in the forest in India. And that's become a false strategy because of there are six 8 out of 4 cheetahs in the captivity itself, it's died. That is really a bad plan to protect grasslands. We bring a cheetah. That is the biggest problem. So we should learn from the this mistake. We should learn from the past mistake, and we should change our plan to protect our cheetah in the future. So the cheetah health and cheetah's habitat and cheetah niches should be identified properly. We should monitor high level for their health and every health and well-being. That should be the first motto to protect cheetah in the wild habitat. And government also reconsider the more introductions and also more introduction of cheetah into the India. Okay, that's what's conclude, brothers and sisters. That's what concludes today's discussion about cheetah and its product. And we talked briefly we talked briefly about all the project about cheetah and its statistics and why they are died and what should be taken for the future and everything. And this video is definitely useful for your UPSC interview preparation, and also for a mains answer writing for the exam. So here we can conclude that the greatness of a nation and its moral progress can be judged by the way its animals are treated. Okay, this we tomorrow I come with a new topic. Thank you so much for watching. Bye to everyone.